Good morning, everyone. Myself, Kausar Momin, 10th standard subject Science 1. Today we are going to discuss about practical. Practical number 4, magnetic field due to a current in a circular coil. Topic is magnetic field due to a current in a circular coil can be understood by the activity. So today we are going to study about practical or activity, we can say. Take a drawing board and fix a white paper sheet over it. Make two holes A and B in the drawing board and pass a thick copper coil through it. Connect the ends of the copper coil to a dry cell through a switch and variable resistance. Close the circuit and plot magnetic lines of force with the help of plotting needles. When current starts flowing through the circuit, at that time you have to, circuit means in this coil itself, you have to tap on the board, a white board on which your iron pieces are there. You can observe here circular rings are formed around this coil, this ring. These circular lines, we can say it as magnetic lines of force. So while performing the experiment, you have to draw these lines. That means close the circuit, plot magnetic lines of force. We can see that magnetic lines of force around the hole A are in anti-clockwise direction. However, the magnetic lines of force near the center of the coil become almost parallel. And around the hole B, the lines of force are in clockwise direction. In the above activity, the lines of force enter the coil from the site of the experiment. So we can say that face of the coil towards the experimenter act as south pole and force opposite to the experimenter act as north pole. Now relate the above observation to the flow of current in the coil, and then we can say that if the current flows in the clockwise direction facing the experimenter, then that force of the coil will act as south pole. If the current flows in coil in anti-clockwise direction facing the experimenter, then that force of coil act as north pole. So here you can clear it very nicely. The iron pieces around the wire are there. That means you can observe clearly clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. So here we will stop this experiment, and whatever I have given you, the PDF of the same, you have to write down in your practical book. Make a practical book. This is your practical number 4. Here you can observe the diagram for the same.